Hello, guys. Good morning.
Morning,
Do
sir.
morning. Do mine. Do mine. Do mine. Abigail, good morning. Yesterday you missed the class. Yeah, can you hear me, Abigail? Jehovan, Joshua.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Yeah, I missed the class.
Yesterday. Uh-huh. It's
I, act-
okay.
I actually got
Yeah.
confused because my other classes reopened on 5th. It was like from 1st to 4th, so I got confused.
Okay, no problem. Okay, everyone turn on the camera, please.
Sir, I'll try to watch the recording today.
Okay. Yesterday it was like we have conceptual doubt class basically. So the chapter which you didn't do it, okay, we have that doubt today also. So it's okay to like to yesterday if you didn't understand, if you didn't attend the class, it's okay because you didn't attend the chapter. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a trigonometry part. So we will do it with the new batch. Okay, but it's a concept because it's a conceptual doubt class. This week we have conceptual doubt class. Like from Monday to Friday, we will have conceptual doubt class. So that's why uh, I didn't call you also for that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And one more thing, Thursday I have one event in the. It's in evening, but I have to prepare for that. So can I take class at 8:30? Only Thursday. This Thursday. Is it possible for everyone?
8:30 to 9:30?
Yeah, means 8:30 to like the maths class is 40 minutes, which is 9:10, and then 9:10 to 40 minutes science, which is 9:50.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay? Only for Thursday, I'm saying, not every time. This Thursday only. Because
Okay.
this Thursday we have Pechan, no? Pechan has now there's a stone breaking ceremony, and we are giving new level to the Pechan by just constructing a pool. So because of that, we have to do a lot of arrangements. So so for this Thursday, the class will be at 8:30. Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we were doing yesterday. We did some parts. Okay. That trigonometry thing. If you understand, Abigail, it's good. If you didn't understand, no problem. We'll do it with the new batch also. Today also, I'll just go with the revision of that part. If you understand, it's okay. If you didn't understand, it's not. It's also okay. Okay. So good if you will understand. Otherwise, it's okay. See now trigonometry. Yesterday, today we did. Yesterday, any problem in the part? Ezekiel, Jehoan, Joshua, Hannah. You guys, you boys are not giving any homework. Only Hannah is only giving me homework. Hannah is a good girl. Boys, what happened, boys? Boys.
Well,
What do
yesterday
you
there
want
was
to say?
some
Okay.
electrical work and all going on at home, so I didn't have my table. It was in my room. So
Okay, Jehoan, what's your what's your point?
I did some, I did the work, but I didn't get to post it on my.
Okay, so do it after the class. Okay, Joshua.
So I wasn't able to do my homework yesterday because
Why?
I had to go for coaching.
Coaching. Which coaching you're doing?
Basketball, sir.
Uh-huh. Mm, good ball. But you have to take out some time for the classes, no? Like the homeworks because it's important. I can understand the basketball coaching is also important, but we have to spend little time in doing some homework. Try to take out some time and do it and submit me on the time, okay? Please, everyone.
Okay.
Okay, okay, Jehovan. Yes. Okay, Hannah. Good morning. Turn on the camera, please. Okay. So yes, today we will do the last part of this chapter, which is trigonometric identity. trigonometric identity. Now, what is trigonometric identity? See, trigonometric identity, only these three identities we should know. First is cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is equals to 1. The second is 1 plus tan squared theta is equals to sec squared theta. And the third one is 1 plus cot squared theta is equals to cos x squared theta. We should only know these identities. Rest, all identities are like you can interchange. Okay. For example, can I write like this? Cos squared theta is equals to 1 minus sin squared theta. Can I write it like this? How? How? This plus sin squared theta was there now. It go to the right hand side. So plus become minus. Understood? Yes or no? Huh? Can I write like this also? Like sin squared theta 1 minus cos squared theta. Can I write it like this? How? See, plus cos squared theta was there on the left hand side. Okay, it jumps to the right hand side, so plus become minus. Okay, yes or no? Can I write like this? 1 plus tan squared theta. No, can I write it like this? That 1 is equals to sec squared theta minus tan squared theta. How? See, plus tan squared theta was there. They go to the right hand side, it becomes minus. So these blue are the derived formula. The black ones are the main formulas, but the blue one are the derived formula. We are just shifting here and there to get the new formula. Understood, guys? Hmm? In the same way, can I write it like this? Tan squared theta is equals to sec squared theta minus 1. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? Yes or no? Hmm? Can you write it like this also? That 1 is equals to cos x squared theta minus cot squared theta. I just derived it. How? Abigail, are you getting it or not? These three identities are the important one. Yes? And the blue ones, I'm just deriving it. How? The plus become that side become minus. Okay? In the same way, can I
Yeah.
write it like this? Yes. Cot squared theta is equals to cos x squared theta minus 1. So the main identities are these one. These are the main identities. And the rest blue ones are the which identities? Rest blue ones are the which identities? Derived identities. They are derived from. Understood?
Which one, sir?
Yeah. These blue ones.
Okay.
Blue ones are the derived identities. Like you are just shifting the main identities to get the new formula. Can I raise this? Take screenshot. Done?
1 second, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now we'll do some question. Okay. Only this thing we have to understand. Rest, it's all understandable. Okay. So now we'll do some easy question first, so that you can guys can get it. Okay, now this is the question. Okay, the question is, what's the question, Hannah? Now you struggle in this part only, na? How to do, what to do. So now please pay attention on this. Okay. Hmm. So cosec square theta minus 1 into sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. Now, now this question, how to do it? Okay. So here are some tips that you should know. I am writing the tips again. Okay. First of all, in this is proving question. Proving question means you have to prove the LHS is equals to RHS. So in proving question, you should always go for one side. So you can take LHS or RHS, but the condition is it should be complicated. It should be complicated. Complicated means, like, if you're choosing LHS, no problem. If you're choosing RHS, no problem. You can choose any of them, but it should be complicated. Now, which is the complicated? Left hand side is complicated or right hand side is complicated? Tell me. Which side is complicated? Left hand side or right hand side?
Left hand side.
So it means that which side you will choose? You will choose left hand side. You will do your antram pantram jikram in left hand side so that it can become a right hand side. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. You will use these identities to get this as a cos square theta. First tip. Second tip is, don't sit and think. Never ever sit and think to do for the trigonometry. You have to take your pen, you have to start writing. Whatever things you can change in this, you can change in this. Like for example, now if I will think that, oh, okay, what will I do in cos square theta minus 1? What will, so that it become this and this? Don't do this. See, you should know this identity, like cos square theta minus 1 can be written as cot square theta. So I will write simply this thing as like cot square theta into sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. So this is my first step. What I did, I'm repeating again. What I did now, cosec square theta minus 1 is given. This is minus 1 is given. Yes. Can I write it like as cot square theta? Like here is also cosec square theta minus 1 is given. Can I write it like cot square theta? Abigail, are you getting it? No.
Getting it, sir.
Okay. So I just substitute the value of cosec square theta minus 1 as cot square theta. Joshua, you didn't get anything? Please ask me,
So,
beta.
sir, so the
Ask, please.
cot square theta and the cosec square theta is the same, right? It's
No,
equal.
cosec square theta minus 1 is same.
Oh,
See, this is the formula. Cosec square theta minus 1 can be written as cot square theta.
okay.
Understood, Ezekiel? No, you didn't understand, Ezekiel. Ezekiel understood. Jehovan,
Yes, sir.
are you with me?
Yes.
Now, now, third step. Third step is try. Now I got stuck. Okay. Now I can't solve anything. Okay. But if you remember this third step, okay, then you will get the answer. Okay. It's not in every question, in every step it's applicable, but generally it's applicable. Okay. Not every question I'm saying, but generally it's applicable that uh, generally try to change change cot, tan, sec, and cosec. These four values in sine theta and cos theta. See, yesterday I give you a lot of formulas. Yes, yesterday I give you formulas, na? Like tan theta can be written as. Anybody knows the formula? Anybody can raise your hand and unmute your mic and say tan theta can be written as. Yesterday I gave you the formula.
Sine upon cos.
Very good. So I change the value of tan theta as sine theta upon cos theta. Abigail, if you don't know, it's okay. Yesterday, if you saw the class, then I gave that formula chart also yesterday also. Okay, you can, if you have that screenshot, you can check with the screenshot also. And right now, if you want to understand, just understand like tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta. Okay. In the same way, who will tell me about the value of cot theta? Ezekiel will tell. Ezekiel, what is cot theta can be written as in the terms of sine and cos?
What, sir?
Cot theta, how it can be expressed in the terms of sine theta and cos theta?
Cot theta.
Hmm.
I don't know, sir.
No answer. Jehovan, you have answer? How will you write cot theta in terms of sine and cos?
Cos theta upon sine theta.
Very good. Okay, remember this thing, Ezekiel. Do one thing, guys. You can write. Yesterday I gave you the sheet, no? I mean the in whiteboard. So if you have screenshot, take out the printout and just stuck in your wall. And this printout also. Okay, this whiteboard printout also, and just stick it on your wall so that during the class also, if you are just learning, then you can understand it very well. So now this is cot square theta is there. So we know that cos theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta. So it means that cot square theta can be written as cos square theta upon sine square theta. Yes, because if I'm doing the squaring the left side, so the right hand side will also become square. Now, so it means that cot square theta is given. Cot square theta can be written as cos square theta upon sine square theta into sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. What I did, Abigail, I just changed the value of cot square theta as I got that it can be written as cos square theta upon sine square theta. I just substitute the value. The trigonometry is all about substituting the values which you are getting. Understood? Everyone understood, Joshua? No.
Understood, sir.
Jehovan, you understood better?
Yes, sir.
Ezekiel? Did you understand, Ezekiel? Okay. Now, this sine square theta and this sine square theta can be cutted down. Okay? Because it's coming in numerator and denominator. So the remaining behind is cos square theta is equals to cos square theta. Hence proof. I solved it. This is how you will do the trigonometry. Understood, guys? Hannah? Now you understood? Quickly write it down if you want to write it down. If you want to take screenshot, you can take screenshot, but I prefer to write it down these steps and how to solve it. I'm giving you 2 minutes to write it down quickly.
Sir, I also need to write it down.
Yeah, if you understand and if you are confident enough to do it, then you can write it down. But if you didn't understand, it's okay to not to write it down. It's all about you. If you're confident enough, and if you can do it, next questions also while doing these identities, then you can write it down. No problem.
So the question is just that the different formulas and identities, I'm not able to remember those.
Which part? Which part, beta?
It's nothing.
No, what's your question? Ask me. I'm
I
telling
was
you.
saying I understood the question that I have a trouble remembering the identities when I need.
That's why I'm saying write it down in one page, like all the formulas I gave it to you. Okay, just write it down in that thing in one page and just stick it on the wall. So whenever you're going and when you will see it and when you will do different question while seeing the identities, then you will remember it. It's not one time investment. You have to invest in the trigonometry like in a week, thrice in a week, or twice, thrice in a week, so that you can understand and remember the questions and the formulas well. Shall I raise this? Everyone, shall I raise this? Okay, now we will do questions only. I'll write the identities, main identities. These are the main identities that we will use in this question, if necessary. Are you getting any disturbance from my side? No. Okay. Abigail, did you solve that? You got it?
No, sir, I haven't started yet. I was just revising all the main formulas.
Mm. Okay, so can you help me to do it? I am just want to know that you got little or you didn't get anything. So just one that. So can you tell me how to solve this? Can you guide me?
Yeah. So we need to take the complicated side, which is the
Mhm.
LHS. So we can
Mhm.
write that as
Yes.
cos square data into sec square data.
Yes, very good. Why sec square theta? Because 1 plus tan theta, if you will see the formulas here. So 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. Very good. So you can write like this cos square theta into sec square theta is equals to 1.
Now we have to change the cos because we need only sine and sec data, but I have no idea how to do that.
Okay. So you should know this formula also. As I told you, sec, cot, cosec, tan. You have to change into sine and cos. So here is sec theta is given. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Okay. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. So it means that if I will write sec square theta, then sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta.
Yeah.
Yes. So can I write it? Can I substitute the value of sec square theta as 1 upon cos square theta? Like cos square theta into 1 upon cos square theta is equals to 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
No. Now, can I cut it like this? Because they are numerator and denominator. Can I simplify it? So 1 is equals to 1.
Okay.
Okay. Ezekiel, you got this answer before or no?
So you made 1 plus tan just sec theta, sec square theta.
Mm.
Okay. The rest I got it.
So you got this or you didn't get that before also?
And I got it.
No. I mean, you solve it by yourself or you just saw on
I
the
watched you
whiteboard?
solve it. Watched you solve it.
Okay, it means that you're not able to do it.
I'll try the next question.
Okay, Joshua, what about you, beta?
I understood it, but I wasn't able to solve it.
So, what problem you are facing while solving this question?
I have a problem with like the adding the equation. I have a problem with the equations.
It means that you didn't remember the formulas, no?
Yeah.
Jehovan, what about you, beta?
I made a small mistake in the formula and got a little stuck after that, but I saw the correct formula and then I solved it.
Okay, so tomorrow I will ask you the formulas. Tomorrow is first 5 minutes test of the formulas. The main identities, formulas, and the like sec theta can be converted into 1 upon cos. Cosec can be written as 1 upon sine, like this only these formulas. Tomorrow, 5 minutes, there will be test. And who will remind me? Joshua will remind me. Joshua will remind me that, sir, 5 minutes formula test will be done. Okay? Let's see the integrity of Joshua. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So I'll give you one more question. Okay. Now solve this. Try to solve this. Hannah, are you getting it or not? No.
I'm doing this one.
No, you getting it, no?
Previous ones I got, but now I'm trying to figure out which formula I should.
Hmm. Ezekiel, you got stuck somewhere else? You can ask me doubt. It's okay. It's doubt class only. It's not about like if you didn't listen, then ask me because this week is we have doubt day.
Can I get my sheet where I've written down all the identities?
Please.
I'm
Please.
not able to remember. That's the problem.
So bring the sheet. If that's what I'm telling you. If you have sheet, just bring your sheet. If you have printout, bring your printout. I can understand that you will not able to remember it now, but one day we have to remember, and then one day is tomorrow.
Yeah, I got it.
Very good.
Sir,
Hmm.
you can write 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta, right?
Very good. So I'll write
But
it
the
down.
Sin square theta equals tan square theta. How do you do that?
Yeah, that we have to solve, na? That is the main thing. We change it. That's correct. First step is correct. Now what will you do? If not, if you got somewhere else, then try to change the site which you took. You took LHS site, no? So try to change the other value into sine and cos. Like
Oh,
sine is sine, so you can't change it. So you can change sec into cos. How will
oh,
you change it?
using the identities.
Yeah, which identity you will use? Tell me. It's on the board only. If I will tell it to you. Like sec theta can be converted in the terms of cos theta. How? Here is the formula. Sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta. Can I write it like this? 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta is equals to tan square theta.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now sin square theta into 1 will again become sin square theta upon cos square theta is equals to tan square theta. Yes. Now we should know this formula also, that sin theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. But if I will do the squaring, so it will become sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to tan square theta. So it means that this will become what? Tan square theta. So tan square theta is equals to tan square theta. This is the answer.
Okay. Got it.
Abigail, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Jehoan, Ezekiel, where you got stuck?
I solved it, sir.
Ezekiel?
I got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, one more question will do. Solve this. Hint is this, the formulas is on the board only. Hannah, now you're getting it? No.
Yeah, I got it.
Are you done? Abigail, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You got it. You got the answer.
No, I'm doing the last step.
Okay. Joshua, you got stuck?
No, sir. I'm doing
No.
it.
Very good. Jehovan,
I finished it, sir.
very good. Ezekiel, you got stuck?
Yes.
Where you got stuck? Good. Ask me. It's okay.
Like
Ask me.
cosec square theta, I made it 1 by sine square theta.
Okay. But here, listen, Ezekiel, can I use the identity? See,
Oh,
if I will
so we
send this
should.
+1 to the z side, so it will become cosec square theta, and the +1 which go to that side become -1.
Yeah.
So cosec square theta -1 can be written as,
Okay.
you can write like cot square theta, no?
Yeah.
So it becomes cot square theta into tan square theta is equals to 1. First, we have to check with the identity. Then, if nothing is going on, then you can change to sine and cos. That's what I'm saying. Generally, it's not always. First, you have to check with the identities. If it's directly going to the identities, then use the identity first. Preference should be the first should be identity.
Yeah, 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, right?
Yes? What?
Nothing.
Ask me, ask me.
Never mind.
Now, I was giving this thing to the Jehovah's brother. He is sliding and he's giving this thing at back. Okay. So now cot square theta can be written as cos square theta upon sin square theta. So I can write cos square theta upon sin square theta into tan square theta can be written as sin square theta upon cos square theta is equals to 1. This and this will cut, this and this will cut, 1 is equals to 1. Abigail, you got this? You got the answer before also?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Understood, guys? Did you got it now? Concept? Yes or no, Jehovan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we'll stop here only. I'll give you some homework. Write it down the homework. Then in 4 minutes we'll start the class. Okay. Of the time. Okay. Let me write the homework first. Then you guys can take a break. I'm just giving the easy one. Okay. Okay. Now this is the question. Then you can write it down. You guys have 4 minutes. 4 minutes break. Then come back in the science class.
Sir,
Yes.
what have you read? Is that PG page?
Yeah.
Okay.
Page number 551. Question number 8. Only 5 questions you guys try and send it to me in the group, please. So, Abigail, bye. Have a nice day. We'll meet tomorrow.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Tomorrow we'll have a difficult trigonometric question. Today is the easy one, but tomorrow is there will be little bit tricky one.
Okay, sir.
So please remember the formula. Tomorrow is 5 minutes formula step. Okay. You guys have 4 minutes break, then come back in 5 minutes. Bye, everybody. Okay, guys, come back. Okay, guys, come back quickly. Can you hear me? Yeah, good. Good morning, Jeshran. Good morning, Jehovan. Uh, Ezekiel, Hannah, Joshua, everyone. Turn on your camera, please. So we learned about the yesterday the image formation in the convex lens. Today we learn in the concave lens. Okay. So before that, concave lens is basically it's also called as diverging lens. Which lens? Diverging lens. Why diverging lens? Because it diverges. How diverges? Like for example, if this is a lens, this is optical center, and if I will write here, this is as f1, 2f1, f2, and 2f2. So what the concave lens do? The concave lens always, like for example, a straight line, it's going parallel to the principal axis. So what convex lens do? It will go to f2. We learned in the previous question, like yesterday, that it will go to f2. But here, what happens? That it diverges in this way, such that if you will extend this line, it looking like it is going through f1. If you will extend the red line, like the divergent point, if you will extend the red line, then it will look like it is going to f1. Okay, but it's not go to f2. Understood, guys? That's the main difference. That's why it's called as divergent. Now, now this is the first rule also. This is the first rule also, that whenever a line parallel to the principal axis, it will not go to f2, like it will not go from here, but it will come like it will go in such a way that if you will extend it in a backward direction, it's looking like it's going to f1. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Hannah, Ezekiel, Joshua, please turn on your camera now. Joshua, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second rule. Now the second rule. Second rule is, if a line is going through optical center like this, then it will go directly. There will be no refraction, as we learned in the convex lens also. Now we will learn about the image formation. Image formation in concave lens. Okay, so now the rule is that the first is at infinity, as we learned. If the object is at infinity. So if the object is infinity, as I told you, the line will always parallel to the principal axis. How many people? The object is always at infinity, like this. I mean, parallel to the principal axis. In the same way, it will go like this, and then it will go parallel to the principal. Now, if because as I told you, they will not meeting in the front of the image, but wherever the object is placed at the same side of the object, they are meeting at f1. Okay. So if object is placed If object is placed at infinity, image will form at f1. And what is a nature? Nature is virtual and erect. Nature is virtual and erect. And what is size? Size is point size. Which size? Point size. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Why point size? Because the f1 point is meeting on principal axis. Every time the size of a image is it's measured in the with respect to principal axis. Like the away will become a more bigger in size. Understood? Everyone? Everyone understood? Hannah? Okay. Now second case. We have only two cases in the concave lens.
So can you go? Can I take a screenshot?
Okay?
Thanks.
Okay. Now second is when object is placed in front of the when object is placed in front of the lens. So what will happen? Let's see. Check out. Okay. So if you will place an object here, like wherever you will place, the image will be the same. Means it will be between f1 and to f1 and f1. Okay. Let's check. So it will go parallel to the principal axis and make the object a bit big. Here the image will come. The image will always form between f1 and o, wherever you will place it. Okay, and the size will always uh, the size will always diminish. Okay, the size will always diminish. So when object is placed in front of lens, the image is formed between f1 and o, and the size is diminished. Diminished means it will be the smaller than the object size. Understood? No. Okay, write it down. Joshua, did you understand? Joshua?
So, the
Yes.
virtual and erect, I didn't get it again.
See, virtual and erect, if you will understand in the terms of length, so the object is placed, and if object is placed, and there only if image is formed, like at that side only, then it will be virtual and erect. For example, if you will see yourself in mirror, so your face is up, your leg will be down because you are standing, no? Is it upside down? No, it's not upside down, no? So if it is upside down, it is called as real and inverted. But if it is not upside down, then it is called as virtual and erect.
Okay.
Okay. Jahuan, any problem?
No, sir.
Jashron? Ezekiel? No doubt? Doubt illa? Hannah? Okay. I'm erasing this. Now we will do the numerical problems as you guys asked me to do it. Numerical problem based on the length formula. Okay. Joshua, you asked about length only or mirror also?
So I only asked about length.
Okay, length numerical. So for that, first of all, you should know the formula. Okay. You should know the formula for that. Like length formula, is 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon q. This is the length formula. What is the length formula? 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon q. This is the length formula that you should know. Okay. The second formula, second formula we don't do it, but where f is basically focal length, v is basically image distance from lens, and u is basically object distance from lens. Okay, and the second formula is um, m. M stands for magnification. Magnification is related to the h dash upon h, which is equals to v by v. H dash is basically what? Height of the image, and h is equals to height of the object. Understood? Yes or no? You didn't understand anything. Okay, now we'll do some questions based on this. Okay, I'll write the question for you. Calculate the Okay, Jashan, can you read the question?
If 5-meter object is placed 30 meters away from the convex lens having focal length 20 centimeters, calculate image position, height, and nature of the lens.
Okay. Now, first of all, how to solve this question? This is the main problem. So, whenever you will get numerical problems, my first advice is that you should draw the diagram first. Not with the perfect measurement, but rough diagram should be there. So, as I told you, I will make the rough diagram first. So, this is optical center, this is this. And because the focal length is given, so I will write focal length also. This is f1, this is 2f1, this is f2, and this is 2f. Okay. So now, where you will place an object? Can you give? Can you tell me? If you will tell me, then I will give you a chocolate. Where you will place an object? Here, 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 or at 2f1 or f1.
Between
Where you will place?
2f1 and f.
Between 2f1 and f1. So Jahovan, why you will place an object between 2f1 and f1?
Because focal length is 20 centimeters.
The
By
focal
reason-
length is 20 centimeter. Yes. See, Joshua, how they predicted. See, focal length is given here 20 centimeter. So it means that this is how much? 20 centimeter. And as we know that the distance between 2f1 and f1 is also 20 centimeter. So total it will become what? 40 centimeter. Understood, Joshua? No. So now this is 20 centimeter and till here is 40 centimeter. It means that the object will be between 2f1 and f1. Understood?
Okay. At first I thought it was 10 centimeters. So
No,
that's
it's
how.
20 centimeter.
Okay.
Okay. Now you got an object. So can you tell me, Jashron, where will be the image will form if the object is between 2f1 and f1? So where will be the image will form?
At f2,
No. Jashron? No idea? Ezekiel, do you have any idea? If the object is placed between 2f1 and f1, where will be the image will form? Okay. No idea, Hannah?
Between f2 and 2f2.
No. Jahovan, you have any idea?
beyond 2f2.
Beyond 2f2. Beyond 2f2, the image will form, like here. So beyond 2f2 means the answer should be, your answer should be greater than 40 centimeter because this is 20, this is 20, and if beyond 2f2 is there, the answer should be 40 centimeter. Understood, guys? Still here any problem? Okay. Now we will write the values in this question. See, the object height is given and object height is denoted by h. So I will write h as 5 centimeter. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. And this is object is placed. So object distance we take it as u. So I'll take u as minus 30 centimeter. Why minus 30 centimeter I am taking? Can anybody give me the answer of that?
So to the
Because
left
there's
of the.
Yeah, sign convention, Joshua. The sign convention tells us that wherever you place the object, for example, you are placing the object at left side. So this will become negative. And the other side of the equation will become positive. Understood? Joshua, no. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And whatever they're given and focal length. Now, Joshua, can you tell me which focal length in this diagram? We learned this diagram now. So in this, which focal length you will use? The left hand side wala focal length or right hand side wala focal length? Which focal length? Like if the
Sir,
light will go, yes.
left hand side, right?
Here, this one. This
Yeah.
focal length you use? Okay, now this is what lens, convex lens is there. A line which is parallel to the principal axis, it will go through
Focus.
F2 or F1? F2 or F1?
Oh, it's F2.
Yeah, F2. So it means that this focal length you are using, na?
Yeah.
So it will be the positive 20 or negative 20?
It'll be
This
positive.
F2,
Right?
yes, positive 20. Understood now?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone understood? Jahoan, Jashran? Jashran, did you understand? No, ask me. It's a doubt class only. It's not teaching class. So this is your time. Take time to understand. Jahoan, did you understand? Jashran? Jashran, hello. Mic test. Can you hear me? You got it or not? If you didn't get it, just tell me that I will explain it again. No problem in that.
Actually, sir, I was only here for the last few classes of night, so I didn't understand what was going on.
Okay. So it's okay. It's okay. If you didn't understand, then we will do it with the next batch also. Like the next batch, you will give exam in October, na? Or the next January, I guess. So we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time for the revision also for all this also. So if you didn't understand, okay, just understand it like this. Otherwise, no problem in that. Okay. 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 So now this is the formula. Now who is this? Joshua. Joshua, we have to use the formula. We have to use the lens formula to get the value of V because we don't know the value of V. So what is the formula? 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. This is the formula. Yeah. Now, what is F? F is basically 1 upon 20. What is V? V, I don't know. Minus what is U? It's minus 130, sorry, minus 30 because U is given as minus 13. So I wrote the value of this. So it will become 1 upon 20 is equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon 30. So 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 30 is equals to 1 upon V. Okay. Now I have to make the denominator same. What I did, Joshua, did you understand? This minus and minus. Minus into minus will become plus. So here it become plus. Now this plus 1 by 30 go to the left hand side, it become minus 1 upon 30. Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Yes or no? Yeah. Now I have to make the denominator same. So for making the denominator same, I have to multiply this by 3 upon 60 minus 2 upon 60 is equals to 1 upon V. Okay. So it will become 1 upon 60 is equals to 1 upon V. So if I will do the reciprocal, it will become V is equals to 60. So I got V as 60 centimeter. So yes, it's correct because I'm getting the value more than 40 centimeter also. And the second thing is it's plus also. Like plus I'm getting, it means that the image will form here only beyond 2F2. Understood, guys? Yes or no, Hannah? Ezekiel, did you understand? Now we have to find the image height also. So what is image height? H dash upon H is equals to B upon U. Now H dash, what is H dash? I have to find H. What is H? H is 5 centimeter. What is V? V is 60 centimeter. What is U? U is minus 30 centimeter. Okay. So H dash is equals to, this will become 2. It will become H dash, the answer will be minus 10 centimeter. Now I'm getting image height as minus 10. Can anybody tell me, explain this phenomenon, why I'm getting H dash is minus 10?
Below the principal axis.
Yes. See, Joshua, the thing which is above the principal axis is also positive, but the thing which is below the principal axis is negative. And if you will see, the image is forming below the principal axis. So that's why the answer will be in negative 10 centimeter. It's not showing anything else, but it's negative 10 means that the principal, the image is formed below the principal axis, nothing else. Understood?
Okay.
And what is nature?
So
What is
under
nature? Yes,
so
please.
down is minus and up is plus.
Positive, yeah. What is nature, Ezekiel? Can you tell me the nature of this question? Ezekiel?
What do you mean by nature?
Nature, is it real, inverted, or virtual, or erect? This is called as nature.
Okay.
Nature means.
Is there like a way to find out the nature? I don't know. I forgot. Sir.
See, you can see that it's below the principal axis, like upside down. So if upside down is there, then is it called erect or inverted?
Inverted.
And with inverted, real will always come. So real and inverted.
Okay. And what is that
Okay?
thing you said? Natura?
Yeah.
It's called natura.
Yeah. It's called as nature.
Okay. And
Okay.
what is that?
Nature means nature. Okay.
Natura means
Now,
nature.
if I will tell one more thing, find magnification also. Magnification, from the term magnification, what do you understand? See, magnification is the image is magnified. How much is magnified? Like the formula of m is h dash upon h. Okay. Now, what is h dash? Is what is image height we got as minus 10 centimeter, and what is the height of the object? It's 5 centimeter. So if I will do, so m I'm getting minus 2. Minus is nothing in this question means, but 2 means that 2 times the image becomes twice of the height of the object. Like it was 5, the object height was 5, but it become not twice, means 2 times. So it becomes 10. Where is the 10? Here's the 10. Understood? Understood, guys? Yes or no? Quickly write it down. Quickly write it down everything. So we have completed the light chapter today. Tomorrow we'll do the motion and its description, as Johan's doubt was there. And Hannah, one more is in that tomorrow we'll do the installment buying wala chapter. Yes, Johan.
Sorry, I made a mistake. Actually, this is on force and motion, not motion and description.
Oh, force and motion. Yeah, force and motion tomorrow. We'll do. Doubt. So still you guys have time till Friday. If you have any doubt, come with your doubt. I'm there to solve it. Like today we completed the light chapter. Okay, go read back. If you didn't understand the light chapter again, okay, except Jashon, you can ask me. Okay, Jashon, because Jashon didn't attend the class, that's why I'm giving that excuse. But if you guys have any doubt, go read back, come back. Okay, because this week is doubt class. If there is no doubt class, then I will go with this further study. But if there's doubt class, I'm very happy to teach it again. Okay. So we'll end the class. Okay. So if you write it down, good. If you didn't write it down, take screenshot. Go and write it down after the class. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata, bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Sayonara.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
I said thank you.